Hi everyone, this is my trip to Texas. I took about 2 months ago. So I did go visit my family that lives in Frisco and Dallas, Texas. So for my day one, I was there for 4 days. So for day one, I began my Google Maps at home. So in West Covina, which is where I live, and then I marked my way all the way to LAX, where I got my flight. And then you can see I flew all the way to Texas, and I landed in Dallas-Fort Worth airport. And from there, I got picked up from my aunt and I went to Frisco where she lives. So here we go. Frisco. And this is where I stood. I stood with her. And for the rest of the day, I went to the Dallas Cowboys practice stadium, and this is really cool because they also have the Star of Frisco there, and it's very pretty at night. You just get to like walk around and see all the lights, and there's a lot of like cool eating places right there that my aunt said is really good. And then so that's not the actual stadium, that's just where they practice. And then we went to Pluckers, which Pluckers is a Texas thing, and this is my first time trying it, and it's so good. It's just like a wing bar, but they had really good wings, so I really enjoyed that. And then for the rest of the day, I just went back to my aunt's house because it was the first day, and it was more like a chill, relaxing day. For day two, I went to the Dallas Arboretum, which was very nice and just beautiful overall. I included some of my own pictures. So this one is Google's. This is mine that I took. Me and my cousin. Me and it had like a pumpkin festival. And then that's Google's picture as well, but it looks exactly like that, and it's so beautiful and peaceful. And we spent maybe like 3 hours walking around. And then we went to Almangood in Dallas, which Dallas from my aunt's house is maybe like 30 minutes away. But Almangood is a restaurant that my cousin works at. It's a fine dining, and it was so good. This is my picture. Mussels. It was the first time I tried this, and it was so good. This was a pate pasta that was really good. It looks a little funky, but it was good. This is the entrance of it, and it was really cool that we got to experience that from my cousin, including us. And then went to Cidercade in Dallas as well. And this was really cool because they only have cider beer, and you only pay like $10 and you get to play all of these cool games, and it just makes you feel like a kid again. So that was there. That was really cool. And then I just went to my cousin's house in Dallas, and we hung out there, and that was day two. For day three, I began at my cousin's house in Dallas, Texas, and then we went to a farmer's market, and it was so cute. It kind of reminds me of the Grand Central Market in LA. Sort of. But it's so nice. These are Google's pictures. But that was fun. We were there for a while. And then nearby was a brewery Deep Elm Brewery. And we drink a lot of good beer there. And it's just so nice, like, just different sceneries. And then we went to the University of Dallas, Texas, where my cousin actually goes. So we got to see a little bit of that and where he goes to school. Majority of these pictures are from Google, but I did want to input some of my pictures as well. And then after the University of Dallas, Texas, I just went to my aunt's house back in Frisco and stood there. Day 4, this was the last day. Unfortunately, I was only there for a short amount of time, but we did make worthwhile of it. So this is Arbor Hills, and it's so beautiful. This is one of my pictures, mine, and those aren't mine, but it's so beautiful and peaceful, and you just get to just view all of the nice scenery. Next, we went to Hutchins Barbecue. So good. And I don't really usually eat barbecue, but it was just a Texas restaurant that's really good out there. Next, we went to Andy's Frozen Custard, and it almost reminds me of Dairy Queen, and it's so good. And then I just went to my aunt's house back in Frisco, and that concluded my trip to Texas. So, and then the next day I just went back home to LA. But thank you so much for watching my trip to Texas.